Hello dear fans. Why do plants have roots? All higher forms of plants have roots. Without roots, the plant organism would not be able to grow and develop normally, since they absorb organic substances and minerals necessary for growth from the soil. The root in plants has various mechanical and physiological functions. The most important of them are the absorption of water, organic and mineral substances from the soil and their transfer to roots and leaves. In addition, the roots help the plant to gain a foothold in the soil, which makes it less sensitive to the effects of atmospheric phenomena, strong wind, rain, etc. They practically grow together with the ground, therefore, quite often when pulling a plant out of the ground, particles of soil remain on the tiny hairs. With the help of the roots, the plant is connected with the organisms that inhabit the earth layer, mycorrhiza. This indispensable part of the plant organism helps in synthesis and accumulates substances useful for plant growth. In addition, the root is responsible for vegetative propagation, the formation of a new plant, which appears by the disintegration of tubers or rhizomes in the mother. But not all plants have the same roots. A fairly common structure is the taproot. Such an underground structure of a plant organism has one large rod, from which a large number of small hairs extend. There is a bundle root system, in which there are several large rod hairs, for example, many types of herbs. Such plants are extremely beneficial for the soil, as their dense root structure prevents it from erosion. Everyone knows plants that, as they grow, accumulate many useful substances in the roots. Sweet potatoes and beets are prime examples. In addition, there are plants that do not need soil. So, some types of tropical orchids grow on trees, and they receive all the necessary substances and moisture from the air, and, for example, poison ivy is attached to trees with the help of aerial roots. Thanks for watching.